at Lisk, we're kind of pushing the limits of physics, designing to the most efficient nth degree.
So we design valves for various oil and gas industry applications, downhole, subsea, topside, explosion-proof.
When you're dealing with explosion-proof environments or equipment that has to go 5 miles under the ground and last 20 plus years, it's really important those solutions work well and work the first time.
It's challenging because there's a very wide range of atmospheres, so we need to use some exotic materials that will survive in that atmosphere, a corrosive environment, and high temperatures. Putting all those things together and getting a valve that will work in all the different atmospheres can be challenging.
Getting things right in the work I do is extremely important because we're sending our valves down into the ocean and they're not going to come back up.
Our customers are always asking us to go to higher pressures, higher temperatures.
Working on applications for high pressure, high temperature type solutions, 20,000 PSI pressures, water glycol media.
So we need to use some unique materials, some exotic materials that will survive in that atmosphere of corrosive environment and high temperatures.
Attention to detail is extremely important as well because we have to make sure we're sending out a good product.
So we can come up with a design, run the analysis on the software, see maybe where the weak points are, where we think maybe the weak points are, and then we can alter our designs, rerun the analysis, and until we get to where we're comfortable and are confident that we're going to meet the requirements. We're putting them deep into the earth, let's say in a downhole application where you can't just service the valve or replace it. And then in the subsea environment, like our valves are on a blowout preventer, which if it fails, it could cause an oil leak into the ocean.
Collaboration and communication are critical to what we do here. Working with engineering, quality, operations, sales, purchasing, it all comes together to ultimately meet the customer's needs and expectations.
Being able to work as a team is very important when it comes to meeting customer expectations because every department needs to be able to communicate with each other and be coherent to build a great product for our customer.
Lisk really excels in customizable solutions, right? Unlike other suppliers, we're not trying to sell you a off-the-shelf or catalog type solution. We really want to understand the full array of specifications and what we can do to best partner with you.
We'll work very closely with the customer to get to that next level. It's always about pushing a little bit further, a little bit hotter, a little bit higher pressure.
Being able to put the puzzle pieces together to support the customer needs and the business needs and being able to bring that into one, solution is really what drives me.
And we're activating the world.
We are activating the world.
We are activating the world.
And we are activating the world.